What we're going to do to start off is navigate to cloudcoin.global, and once you're there, you're going to go over here to software, and we are going to download the first listing here, which is the CloudCoin manager. So let's click that. I'm actually using Mac, so I'm going to click the Mac option. And once that is complete, I'm actually going to click Show in Finder. And from here, I'm going to double click our zip file. It's going to unzip the file. I'm going to now double click that. And I'll click Open. We'll see a couple of options down here to create a SkyVault and a wallet. We could also just skip this, but since we are here, let's go ahead and select Create a SkyVault. I'm going to put in my name, put Brett, and then the number 10. And then I'll click Generate New Passkey. Let's click Continue. Okay, great. It's been created, so let's go to the dashboard. Okay, so we'll see here that my brett10.skyvault.cc, my SkyVault, has been created. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll remember there was another option for creating a wallet. We can just go here to the Wallets tab. And we have a wallet here by default. Let's go ahead and rename our default wallet. We can do that by clicking Other Actions, Wallet Actions, and then Rename Wallet. Let's put in main. There we go. Okay, now what we can do at this point is we can add CloudCoins to our main account. Let's click New Transaction and Deposit Coins. I'm going to select coins to deposit, and I've got a file right here with 13 CloudCoins. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to deposit selected coins. Coins attempted, 13. Coins authentic, 13. So let's close this now. You'll see over here in my main account, I have 13 CloudCoins. If I wanted to, I could create a new wallet. And let's just say this is a test wallet. There we go.